I was reading manufacturing strategy paper today, sent by consultant, mătii. To these people, optimization is just fancy word for find someone to do work for free. Sit, we talk. Today, no jokes. Today we tell horror stories. Imagine you are a dreamer. You are not lazy. You are artist. You spend 2 years designing perfect watch. You draw case, you measure lugs. It is beautiful. It is unique. It is your soul in steel. Now you need to make it. You call Switzerland. Hello, I want make watch. They say, okay, minimum order 5,000 units, price $1 million. You do not have $1 million. You have savings from selling old car and eating cabbage for a year. So you go east. You go to Shenzhen. You find factory on internet. High quality watch manufacturer. They are very nice. They say, yes, we can make dream. Minimum order only 300 pieces. Very cheap. We love your design. I call this walking into trap. You are smart. You send them NDA, no disclosure agreement. It says, you cannot steal my design. They sign it. They send it back with smiley face emoji. You send them CAD files, blueprints, your baby. Then, silence. You wait 1 month, 2 months. You email, hello, where is prototype? Nothing. Then you browse AliExpress and you see it. Your watch. It is there on sale. Brand name Blige, Pagani, Beniar. Price $65. You plan to sell for $500 because you used good movement. They put in $3 quartz, used zinc alloy and plastic strap. You scream, I have NDA, I will sue. You cannot sue. Who will you call? Shenzhen police? In China, NDA stands for Now Design is Available. To them, you are not creator, you are just free R&D department. And it gets worse. Let us say they do make watch for you. You order 500 pieces. They deliver 500 pieces. You are happy. But factory, they made 1,500 pieces. 500 for you and 1,000 for ghost shift. They run machines at night. Same steel, same mold, same workers, but these watches do not go to you. They go to eBay. They are sold as unbranded parts or sterile dials. Go to Alibaba right now. Search watch case. You will see designs from Zelos, from Baltic, from Brew, from Serica. They are all there. Sold in bulk. Budala, microbrand invest sweat. Factory harvests profit. This is price of affordable luxury. If you cannot afford own factory, factory owns you. You are renting machines and landlord has keys to your apartment. So, what is lesson? If you have truly unique idea, do not email it to random factory on internet, or accept that unique design will belong to world in 6 months. To dreamers. But then there is different type of thief. One that steals directly from your pocket. Not man with mask in alley. I talk about man in slim fit suit with entrepreneur in Instagram bio. Yes, very emoji. Look at this. Revolutionizing industry. Cutting out middleman. Inspired by my grandfather's vintage compass from war. Budala! Your grandfather was accountant in New Jersey. He did not have compass, he had stapler. These people, they are not watchmakers, they are not designers, they are PDF experts. Here is how smart entrepreneur makes luxury watch. He does not design, he does not even still design. He is too lazy. He sits on sofa in pajama and sends email to Switzerland. He calls company like Chrono AG in Solothurn, or Roventa Hennex, maybe Valka or Estura. These are private label giants, ghost factories. They don't have soul, they have PDF catalogs. Entrepreneur opens PDF. I want case number 42, I want hands number 12, I want dial number 8. Make it eggshell white so it sounds expensive. He clicks submit. Factory says, okay, send us logo, we print on dial, we print on rotor, we print on box. This is design process. Choosing from menu like you are in McDonald's. I want Big Mac with Swiss movement and sapphire fries. Good, you're fired. Then comes reviewer. Entrepreneur sends watch to man with studio light, expensive microphone and zero backbone. Reviewer holds catalog case 42 and says, look at these lines. Geometry is revolutionary. Never seen lug-to-lug proportion like this before. Design is so fresh. Budala! You never see it before. I see it 5 minutes ago in PDF. These reviewers, there are two kinds. One, they are clueless. They don't know movement from macaroni. They think design is just something that happens on Instagram. They are so unprepared, they couldn't find bezel with map and flashlight. 2. They are on the take. They get $500 production fee, they get free watch. They read script about grandfather's heritage while grandfather is still in New Jersey with stapler. They tell you watch is masterpiece because they are paid to lie. But more about them next time. Very, very soon. Now comes Kickstarter. This is best part of scam. Entrepreneur does not want to spend his money. He wants to spend your money. He hires storyteller to write about disrupting tradition. He says, we need $50,000 to bring this dream to life. Dream is already alive. It is sitting in warehouse in Solothurn. He just needs you to pay for order. He takes zero risk. If campaign fails, he deletes website. If it succeeds, he buys 100 watches from Chrono AG for $500 each, sells to you for $1,000 and calls himself visionary. My dream is to have more tea. My cup is empty and I am tired of looking at this governor. Can you help me make dream come true? I will launch Tea Fund. If you want Anton to stay awake and find lies, buy me cup. Link is below. Sunce ti poljubim. Subscribe. Before you pay $700 for heritage that was born in email attachment 3 months ago.